Hello, my name is Avery,
I'm Mary.
And I'm Maddie.
and our solar catastrophic event is a high-energy solar flare.
But first we need to further understand magnetic storm activity that occurs on the sun.
Sunspots are dark spots that cover the surface of the sun. They are regions of reduced surface temperature caused by concentrations of magnetic field flux that inhibit convection. They appear dark because they are cooler than other parts of the sun's surface.
Next are solar prominences. They are dense clouds of material suspended above the surface of the sun. Prominences are anchored to the sun's surface in the photosphere and extend outwards into the sun's hot outer atmosphere, called the corona. They often appear in a loop shape.
Next are coronal mass ejections. They are huge bubbles of gas threaded with magnetic field lines. They are composed of plasma and magnetic energy from the sun's corona. CMEs may cause a shock wave leading to heightened radiation. CMEs can vary in speed in which the effects reach our planet anywhere from 15 to 18 hours. This is one of the main causes of high-energy solar flares.
Solar flares are tremendous explosions on the surface of the sun. They are caused by tangling, crossing, or reorganizing magnetic field lines near sunspots. If there is a big enough explosion, this high-energy solar flare could affect the Earth in many different ways.
There would be 4 major effects on the Earth due to this solar flare. We would suffer through a loss of electricity, which would affect our ability to have the internet. We would also suffer through the lack of the ability to use a GPS. Lastly, any and all foods as well as medicines would perish due to a lack of heating or cooling systems because they need to be kept at certain temperatures.
Having plastic water bottles to drink from is a must, as you won't be able to refill the bottles. Alongside this, having non-perishable food is also important because no one would be able to refrigerate it. Next, having a first aid kit is important because in any disaster event, injuries can happen. Lastly, having a map is important so you can safely navigate without your devices. Modern astronomy has played a huge role in better understanding solar phenomena.
The Solar and Heliospheric Observatory spacecraft, or better known as SOHO, was launched on December 2nd, 1995. It has 3 main objectives to get more. Number 1, to get more details on the structure of the sun. Number 2, to better understand the existence of the corona. And number 3, to locate where solar wind is produced and the acceleration of it.
X-rays are used to track solar energy. Large solar X-rays flare can find the Earth's ionosphere. Concentrated solar power applications use optical components to monitor solar activity. Once again, we thank you for your time.
We hope you learned something.